Tired of losing documents when your computer crashes? Learn to save directly to OneDrive in Word and never lose work again. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 3 simple clicks to save your document to the cloud. Let's get started. So you have your document open in Microsoft Word. Maybe you have been typing up a report, a resume, or something personal. This is the moment where most people reach for the Save button on their keyboard, and that saves it to your computer. But here is the problem. Your computer is a physical device. It can crash, get lost, or just stop working one day. Everything you worked on could vanish. So let us break that habit right now. Start by looking at the top left corner of your Word window. You will see the File tab. It is usually blue or white depending on your theme. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up what is called the Backstage view. It looks different from your normal document view because it is a menu of everything you can do with your file. Save it, print it, share it. This is your command center, and this is where we fix the backup problem once and for all. Now from this File menu, look down the list on the left-hand side. You will see a section called Save As. Click on it. Do not click Save. Save is the shortcut that puts your file on your local hard drive. Save As is the option that lets you choose where your file lives. And we want it to live somewhere safe, somewhere in the cloud. So when you click Save As, you will see a few different location options pop up. The first one you will see is OneDrive. That is what we want. Now choose OneDrive as your save location. Click on it. If you are on a school or work account, you might see a company name instead of OneDrive. That is fine. It is still a cloud folder. If you have never signed into OneDrive before, Word might ask you to log in with your Microsoft account. That is a one-time thing. Do it and you are set for life. Once you click on OneDrive, you will see a folder view. This is your cloud storage. You can save it directly into the main folder, or you can click Browse to pick a specific folder. I recommend keeping things organized from the start. Pick a folder you already use or create a new one right there. Now you need to give your file a name. Type it into the file name box at the bottom. Make it something you will recognize later. Then click the Save button. This might take a moment to process because it is uploading your file to the internet. But once it finishes, your document is no longer just on your computer. It is in the cloud. So how do you know it worked? Look at the very top bar of your Word window. You should see your file name with the word OneDrive next to it. If you see that, congratulations. Your document is now stored in the cloud. You can close your laptop, go to another computer, log into your Microsoft account, and that file will be waiting for you. No emailing yourself attachments, no carrying around a USB drive. It is just there, and here is the really important part. Now that you have saved to OneDrive, look for a toggle switch in the top right corner of your Word window. It says AutoSave. Flip it to On. Do this right now. When AutoSave is on, Word saves every single change you make instantly to the cloud. Every typo fix, every paragraph you add, every edit, it all gets saved automatically. You never need to remember to hit Save again. If your computer crashes in the middle of typing, you open Word later and everything is exactly where you left it. No lost work, no panic, just peace of mind. One quick note. AutoSave only works when your file is saved to OneDrive. That is why we did these steps in this order. Save to OneDrive first, then turn on AutoSave. If you save to your desktop first, AutoSave will not activate, so make it a habit from now on. Start a new document. Go to File, Save As, OneDrive, name it, and flip that AutoSave switch on. You are now officially backed up. That is it. 3 clicks and a toggle. You are never going to lose a document again. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.